Hi everyone, and welcome back to Cheryl's Glam Home. Well, today guys, I'm excited to share another episode of Christmas with Cheryl. Today I'm taking a garden ornament and turning it into a Christmas truck. I hope you enjoy. Guys, I'm all about repurposing in my home, and I have this garden truck from Aldi which I did a DIY on. I'll leave a link to that video down below. I decided to give it a little Christmas makeover. Keeping it already turquoise green, I decided that I would decorate it and add some bling. I took this dollar store bling wrap and I hot glued it around the base of the truck. For the width of the ribbon, I basically hot glued it around and then did it again. This would create an exact size. I continued to add it around, being very careful guys, not to burn myself with the hot glue. Once that was complete, I then repeated the same steps to the bottom. Once that was complete right round, I then took some of my dollar store rhinestones, and at the join in the middle of the ribbon, I hot glued a row of rhinestones across. Once that was complete and I'd done it on both sides, I then added some decorative rhinestones to the wheels. Facing the truck to the front, I then took some of that decorative bling ribbon and I cut strips to size and I made a frame around the window of the truck. Now again guys, be super careful. This ribbon is see-through, so you have to be very careful with this hot glue. Once it was completely covered, I was really happy with how my little truck was transforming. So it was now time to decorate it. Taking two Christmas ornaments that I picked up from Big W, I hot glued them to each side of the truck. Once that was completely dry, I then took this snowflake Christmas ornament, also from Big W, and I hot glued this to the back of the truck. Taking another dollar store rhinestone, I hot glued it to the centre of the snowflake. Whilst that was drying, I then took this little decorative wreath that's from Big W. I loved it, but I didn't like how it had red and green balls. So I took this little paintbrush and my favourite pink paint from Jo Sonia, and I painted the balls to the colour that I desired. Taking this baby blanket that I recently picked up from my local dollar store, as well as this box that was left over from a candle that I purchased, I decided that I would decorate this box. Placing the box in the centre, I cut the material to size. Taking the fabric, I simply wrapped the box as if it was a gift. I took my hot glue gun and I glued everything in place. Off camera, I also hot glued some of that decorative ribbon around the middle of the box. Now to add some visual height, I took some floral foam guys and added it to the centre of my truck. I I also added this dollar store bling bow to the top, as well as these decorative picks that I picked up from Spotlight, and I added them into each end of the floral foam. I then added these adorable little gift boxes, guys. These are from Target this year, and you turn them over and they're actually a decorative light that changes colour all the time. I then shopped my home, guys, and found this little gift box I had from last Christmas, and I also added it to the back of the truck. I then turned the truck to the front and hot glued my little decorative wreath in place, and taking some of this Dior ribbon that I already had from a previous project, I tied a bow to the front of my wreath. And here is my adorable little Christmas truck. Guys, you may remember from my recent shopping haul at Kmart, I added this decorative caravan to the back of my Christmas truck, and I'm so happy with how they go together. Guys, can you believe that this was actually a garden ornament from Aldi? I did a DIY on this last year and it was originally brown. I'll leave a link to that video down below, but I spray painted it turquoise, removed the stuff from the previous DIY and transformed it into my little Dior Christmas ornament. I absolutely love to transform things and give them a brand new look. I love that my little truck took on its whole new glam look with lots of bling and lots of silver. I love to style my little DIYs in so many different ways. Here I've added my previous DIY Chanel perfume bottles, and I love that my combination of blush pink and turquoise goes so beautifully in my home. Guys, Christmas is just around the corner. Can you believe it that we're nearing the end of October already? Before you know it, guys, we'll be bringing out the Christmas decor, and I want to give you DIY projects that you can have a go at so you can create these for your Christmas centerpiece. I encourage you all to shop your own home, guys. You'd be surprised what you have lying around or that you may have in storage. A simple little bit of paint and a makeover can transform something into a decorative accent for your Christmas season. This DIY project, guys, is the perfect table centerpiece. It would also take pride of place on your mantle. You could also change out the way you decorate it. You could change the colour scheme and the decorative touches. It's entirely up to you, and you could make it in your own personal style. Guys, who's excited for Christmas? I've been lying awake at night thinking about all the different ideas that I can bring to you leading up to this Christmas season. Leave me a comment down below if you're enjoying seeing Christmas videos already. I know it's a little early, guys, but I was aching to share some Christmas decorating with you. Don't forget, guys, I have a hashtag which is Christmas with Shell. If you follow me over on Instagram and do any of my Christmas DIYs, I'd truly love to see them. Just upload your picture with the hashtag Christmas with Shell because I'd truly love to see them. Guys, when you share your DIYs with me, it makes my heart so happy. I'm so proud of you all having a go at your own DIYs. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I truly hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope I've inspired you in some small way of having a go at your very own Christmas DIYs. I hope you've enjoyed another episode of Christmas with Shell. Don't forget, guys, to like, share and subscribe to my channel because I'll be back real soon with more DIY projects, inspirational ideas and room tours here at Shell's Glam Home. So until next time, my friends, I thank you so much for watching and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.